Okay. Alis lang. Okay, group 4 to. Wala ka gagawin sa group 4.
Gigil sa kalingaw.
Ay, remote up. Balik. Sarado na ni. Group 5. Ato mo ito, group 5. Group 5. Ha? Ready? Group 1? Ready?
Yes!
Group 2, ready?
Yes!
3, ready?
Yes!
4, ready?
Yes!
Group 5, ready?
Yes!
Okay, this time, let's talk about the animal sounds. Okay, do you know what are the animal sounds?
Yes!
Mga tingog sa mga... Banana!
Alin?
Okay, so kids, I want to hear what is the sound of a dog? A louder dog! Very good. How about the sound of a cat? Cat! How about the big lizard tuko? Go! Oh, how about the monkey? The tiger! The dragon! The lion! How about the cow? Baka! How about the goat? Kanding! What's the tiyog sa kanding? Kanding! Kandingon! Okay, at this time, let's play the animal sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna assign you to your animal sound. Okay, group 1, you will be the group 1, what is the sound of the cat? Group 2, you will be the tiger. Group 2, tiger. 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 Okay, group 3, you will be the goat. Ay, dili ni sa goat, kini health and you'll be the pig. Pig.
Oink,
What
oink.
is the sound of the pig? Pig. Oink, oink. Ready, go, pig. Very good. Group 4, you will be the birds. Birds. Very good. Group 5, you will be the duck. Very good. Okay ha, kung dili ta mo patingog, kung dili mo tingog, nakasabot. Okay, now, I want to hear the sound of the cat. I want to hear the sound of the cat. I want to hear the sound of the pig. I want to hear the sound of the cat. Pig, cat, pig, cat, pig. Oh, don't make a sound ha, because you're not the pig. Okay, nakasabot. Ha? Always remember you are the cat. Okay. The tiger. Tiger. Okay, I want to hear the sound of the tiger. I want to hear the sound of the pig. Bird.
Wow.
Duck.
Dugog na?
Bird. Duck. Bird. Duck. Bird. Duck. Bird. Duck. Pig. Pig. I said pig.
Sige,
Bye, tigers. Out na kami.
Out na, out na. Tiger D.
Okay,
Kailan ka? Surprise.
Ready? I want to hear the sound of the cat. I want to hear the sound of the pig. I want to hear the sound of the birds. I want to hear the sound of the duck. Birds. Duck. Birds. Duck. Birds. Duck. Birds. Duck. Birds. I said birds.
Out na.
Bye, pig.
Bye-bye.
Ready? I want to hear the sound of the cat. I want to hear the sound of the birds. I want to hear the sound of the duck. Cat. Birds. Duck. I said duck. Bye, cat. Duck. Isa dito sa...
Layo man.
Okay, woo!
Yay!
Hear the sound of the cat. I said cat. Okay, I'll give you a chance to share it. I want to hear the sound of the birds. I want to hear the sound of the duck. Birds. Duck. Birds. Duck. Birds. Duck. Birds. Duck. Okay, go on, go. Birds. Birds. Duck. I said duck.
Wala na. Bye-bye.
Bye, bird. Yay! itik. Oh, get your Get your prize, mga itik.
Wala ka mag-pingo po. Yun sa daka